So done with MG and Kia. MG का बहुत अच्छा पवेलियन था. It was very well set and there was so many cars. But Kia में इतना कुछ था नहीं देखने लायक. But now we are going towards the Maruti and the Mercedes Benz. So let's see कैसा है. आगे आपको दिखाता हूँ. Concept car showcased by the Maruti Suzuki, and I don't know whether they will be going to launch it in the next 10 years or not, but it's looking really amazing. So guys, this is one of the most hottest topic of the Auto Expo, the Maruti Jimny. Now I'm entering the most popular and favorite pavilion of the Mercedes Benz. You can say there are so many cars featured by the Mercedes. The E-Class, the sexiest car shown by Mercedes in the Auto Expo. Yes, the famous and powerful AMG. You can see the blue matte color is looking absolutely gorgeous on this beautiful car, and the spoiler adding the beauty. This is the most luxurious Mercedes Maybach S650 over here in the pearl white color. You can see the length of the car is really long, and the massive grille really beautiful. And look at these DRLs, they are just beautiful, out of the world. So guys, finally the Mercedes G-Wagon. Yes, this car don't need any introduction. One of the iconic SUVs of the Mercedes and best selling worldwide. So I'll give you a another view of this car. You can see the massive alloy wheels looking absolutely stunning, and the side profile of the car is just amazing. So guys, right now I'm at the Tata Motors Pavilion, and here is the most famous car of the Auto Expo, the Sierra. You must be knowing, if you are a 90s or 80s kid, this was a blockbuster SUV of its time. And we are having some other version of Harrier, or I don't know what is this, but Harrier Sierra is the most famous car of this Auto Expo. You can see the large window behind, and it is 100% runs on the electric fuel. So future is here totally with Tata Motors, I can see. So guys, now it's time to enter the Volkswagen Pavilion and see what special Volkswagen has featured in the Auto Expo of 2020. And here is the first car, which is the ID Cross, and looking really absolutely amazing. Look at the massive tires, maybe 23 or 24 inches, massively big. Guys, this is the race version of the Polo, featured by the Volkswagen over here. The roll cage inside the car is easily visible, and the bucket is the Volkswagen T-Roc, a premium hatchback or a compact SUV. You can say straight competition to the new i20 and the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, and other cars of the same segment. So guys, now featuring the Suzuki's MotoGP racing bike. Yes, this is the same bike that Suzuki used in the MotoGP racing, and here is the most popular bike of the Auto Expo 2020. Yes, the Suzuki Katana, and it is finally over here. So guys, check out the look of the new Suzuki Katana and the Suzuki MotoGP bike. Hoping to see both the bikes in India soon, and I hope the Katana will be launched in India very soon. This is the new Hayabusa 2020 in the new red glossy color, looking amazing, and the another color, the new grey. The previous 2019 model was with the light grey and red wheels, but this one is dark grey with black colors, alloy wheels edition. So Hayabusa is looking amazing as always. We are having another bikes from Suzuki India, and which is this adventure tourer, the most awaited adventure tourer from the Suzuki India. Yes, the V-Strom, looking amazing, good, tall and purposeful, fully purpose-built motorcycle. And look at these spoke rims. You can see must be offering tubeless tires in this bike, and the front wing is totally resembling the off-roading look. Guys, right now we are at the combined shop of Aprilia, and you can see the RS V4 over here, Moto Guzzi's Adventure Tourer over here, which is looking good enough, and the Vespa, new model of Vespa, all the models are here, and you can see a new revolutionary scooter from the Aprilia, which is looking like this. So the pavilion looks like good overall. So guys, this is the most fashionable car of the all time. Yes, the Cadillac 1959. Really looking amazing in this pink color. See how long the car is. And these beautiful wings in the end, you can see, and the tail lamps are just amazing. सो गाइस, डन विद दी ऑटो एक्सपो, और काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। सारी कंपनीज़ की हमने स्टॉल विजिट करी, किया, MG हेक्टर, मारुति सुजुकी, टाटा, और मेरी जो फेवरेट कार थी वो थी टाटा की सेरा, और बाइक थी सुजुकी कटाना, जो कि थोड़ी डिफरेंट चीज़ थी। तो बहुत मज़ा आया। बाकी अपने फ्रेंड से पूछता हूँ आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, और अपनी फेवरेट कार्स बताओ यार, कौन कौन सी तुम्हें सबसे अच्छी कार लगी?
मेरी फेवरेट लैम्बोर्गिनी और पोर्श कार, ये दोनों बहुत।
और आपको कौन सी अच्छी लगी? लैम्बोर्गिनी और पोर्श अच्छी लगी। चेतन, तुमको यार कौन सी?
मेरे को जो कलेक्शन अच्छी लगी वो थी विंटेज कलेक्शन, विंटेज जो गाड़ियाँ थी यार।
हाँ यार, बहुत बढ़िया कार थी। जो कैडिलैक थी वो तो कितनी लेंथ थी उसकी, बिल्कुल फिल्म्स में ही देखी थी अभी तक हमने वो कार।
और वो थी भी दिल्ली की,
और दिल्ली नंबर था। इनफैक्ट 1959 की, जब मैंने देखा था उसका मॉडल, और था दिल्ली नंबर। तो बहुत ही मज़ा आया। तो इस ब्लॉग को यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं। तो टाइम टू एंड दिस ब्लॉग ओवर हियर। सो गाइस, अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर देना, कमेंट में बताना कैसा लगा। पूरे दिन हमारी हालत ख़राब हो गई, सुबह से लेकर शाम तक घूमते रहे। ऑटो एक्सपो शायद एक दिन में घूमा नहीं जा सकता है, ये हमने एक्सपीरियंस कराया आज। तो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में आपको, प्रॉबेबली नेक्स्ट वीक। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस। अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, हैव अ गुड टाइम। साइनिंग ऑफ, बाय।